you doing, Robin?
Combing Sadie's hair.
Oh, are you styling it? What are you doing, Sadie?
Makeup on.
Sadie's putting makeup on? Hi, Sadie.
This is, you hold it by here. That's the handle. Yeah, like that.
Sadie, Robin's doing your hair. Is it so pretty? What do you think of it? Is it pretty? You putting makeup on? Robin, it looks gorgeous.
You guys are playing so good together.
So pretty. Oh, good makeup. Okay, what kind of style are you doing, Robin?
This.
That kind? Comb?
Sadie, still do this. No, not yet. Thank you. Sadie, come here.
You need more makeup?
Sadie, right here.
You have makeup?
Have a test. No, we're not doing that yet.
Okay.
Why is Sadie doing it?
Sadie, what kind of makeup are you going to get next? Oh, it's so pretty.
This way.
This one. Okay.
You're gonna do it?
Who does it?
The doctor does.
Sadie, who does it? Does Robin do it? Sadie does it?
And the doctor.
Oh my gosh.
These are my doctor's toys. These are my
Whoa.
doctor's toys.
Okay, that's probably enough video. Whoa! Sadie Mae, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Robin, can you say bye-bye?
Do.
That's not bye-bye, funny
That's what she
girl.
says, bye-bye to Dado.
Do.
Do-do.